Rocketbook, we've been making notebooks for students and professionals for years. We've shipped almost 1 million of them. Lately, we've been hearing from customers saying they need a pocket-sized Rocketbook designed specifically for those times when you're on the go. So, we took your feedback to the Rocket Lab, mixed it with future and high fives to give you the Rocketbook Mini Notebook. The Mini is a pocket-sized Rocketbook which uses the same synthetic blend paper as larger core books. So you simply write, scan, and erase. The Mini is like having 1,000 notebooks right in your pocket. Here's how it works. Write using any pen from the Pilot Frixion line. Frixion ink firmly bonds to the pages in seconds, but with a little water, wipes away like magic. So you can use it over and over and over. We crafted the Mini to be the same height as Frixion pens. That way, your Mini and your pen travel safe and easy together. You can put them in the same spaces and take them to the same places. The Mini also works with the Rocketbook app in a new and unique way. That means before you wipe your notes off the page, you can instantly blast them online to your favorite cloud services. In a fraction of a second, the app recognizes, scans, and enhances your pages in any orientation. There are no printed symbols to mark on the Mini. Simply scan your notes, then select a specific place to send them inside cloud services you already use. Inside the Rocketbook app, there are 7 configurable destinations. Set up the app to assign each destination to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or many other services. So you can configure your notes from the field to drop directly into a shared Google Drive, or blast your brainstorms to your ideas notebook in Evernote. Whether you take notes at the show or make a to-do list on the go, tomorrow you'll start your day with 1,000 new notebooks right in your pocket. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.